Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Today we are in Vincent Promontory. She's just enjoying.
Sounds crazy. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. And now we are at school. I don't know the name.
Swada is a beach.
Yeah, it sounds.
It's making sounds when you're walking here.
It sounds crazy, guys. See?
She's just enjoying. Okay, let's walk around.
Yes.
Wilson's Promontory National Park is located about 2.5 to 3 hours away from Melbourne CBD. It's a place of stunning natural beauty, with rugged mountains, lush forests, and pristine beaches all within reach. One of the highlights is Squeaky Beach, where the sand actually squeaks beneath your feet as you walk. For panoramic views, a hike up Mount Oberon is a must, offering breathtaking vistas of the entire park. Adults and kids will love making music as they walk along the dry sand, which makes a squeaking sound with every step. Do you know why is Squeaky Beach squeaky? It's because the fine, rounded grains of quartz sand compress under your feet, creating a high-pitched squeak.
Wow. See? Sounds crazy.
Tidal River serves as the hub of the park, featuring camping grounds, picnic spots, and a general store for all your needs. Whether you're exploring the trails, lounging on the beach, or soaking in the scenic views, Wilson's Promontory offers a true escape into nature's wonders. explore with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more nature adventures with us in future. Thanks for watching guys and stay tuned with us. Bye for now.